Hey, to use sound equalizer of Xiaomi Buds 5, first of all open the Xiaomi earbuds application, and right now you will have to go for audio effects. In this place go to the audio balance, and as you can see we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 default modes. So if you want to, like for example bass boost, you can go for this one. That was actually decreased, so we have to probably go for maybe treble or the standard one, but here we can even find the custom one. So as you can see right now, you can set the equalizer frequencies to your own preferences by moving these dots. There we go. But the last one is not working. Yeah, the last one is not working, not sure why. Okay, now it's working. That's actually strange, it doesn't look actually properly. But yeah, that's how you can actually change it, and you can only get one custom preset. You can of course delete if you want. There we go. So you'll reset the parameters. Thanks for watching.